Now see, these are two different views of the same balls. So balls you can see here from the top, and then you can see this. Now in which photo are the balls upside down? So in which photo? In this photo, the upside is down. Look at the side view in photo 3. Draw lines to match the side view with the top view of a pipe. Pipe side view is this, and funnel side view is this. Pipe's top view is this, and funnel top view is this. Try to draw pictures of shoe from the side, top, front. Shoe box you will show from the side, from the top. So from the top it will look like open or closed, you can, and top view, side view and front view you will draw. It would be exciting for children to imagine and find out how different things can look from different angles. It also helps to improve their spatial understanding. Spatial, that means sthanic. Sthanic, that means where you are living. So from the different angles, if you will see, the things will look like different. Okay. Now see at page number 57. The park behind Gappu's house. You can see Gappu's house is here and park behind the Gappu's house. You can see here park. Here is a bigger picture of the park. Look at it carefully and answer the question. Okay, park you can see. See carefully. Then mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Sweet shop is this. So the gate nearest to the sweet shop is A. Which gate is nearest to the Gappu's house? You can see here 4 gates, A, B, C and D. So Gappu's house is here. So gate C is nearest to the Gappu's house. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your. Suppose that we are entering from here. So my right hand side here and left hand side will be right hand side and left hand side when we enter from the. So, and you can see the bench is here. So bench. So if we enter from gate B, the green bench will be our left side. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? Okay. Now park is here. The flower bed you can see. So it should be right side. So if opposite direction, that means from D gate, if she will enter, so left hand side will be flower bed. Okay. Now if she will enter from this side, so flower bed will be the right side. Okay. which of these is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? Okay, if we are entering from the gate C, which is nearest? Which of this is nearest to if you enter from gate C? Basketball court, okay, flower bed, then green bench, and seesaw. So young children tend to think of directions, so you should learn the direction of left, right. Okay, now turn, 90-degree angle, water. So you have to learn this according clockwise, anti-clockwise, in this direction. These answers I will write. I will give you the answer of this, and what you will do in the CW notebook, you will mention, then Xerox of it, or if you are able to draw, you can draw, and then write these questions, draw same to same, this activity, and then I will give you, so write these questions in your CW notebook. Now students of 5th standard, you can see here Smiles home. Okay, Smiles home, you can see here. So on the phone, Smiles told Srijata the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. Smile is telling Srijata, please come at my home. I will tell you the address of my house, the route how you can come at my home. Srijata is telling, okay, I will come. Tell me the route. So he is telling, see here, he is telling the route. This is what Smile told Srijata. Okay, from your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. After about 100 meters, you will see a big park. When you cross the park, you will come to side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. Okay, now let us understand. From your house, Srijata's house is here. Reach the milk booth. Srijata is here. She is reaching the milk booth. And then take a left turn. So Srijata is standing here. You can see. And he is telling, here Srijata standing here. Milk booth is here, and now he is telling left turn. Okay, left turn taken. From the second crossing is here. Now Sujata is standing here. The face of Sujata is here. Okay, so he is telling, from the second crossing, take a right turn. Now Sujata is standing here. Okay. And he is telling, from the second lane, take a right turn. Now Sujata's face this side. So right turn will come this side. Okay. Go straight. Go over the bridge. So bridge is here. Okay. Now see what he is telling. Take a right turn. Sujata is standing here now. So Sujata's face is this side. So left turn will be that side and right turn. Now Smile is telling, take right turn. So if Sujata will take right turn, she will go here. You can see face is this side. Okay. After 100 meters, you will see a big park. When the Sujata will take right turn, where is the park? Sujata's face is this side, so left turn will be the park. Okay. After about 100 meters, so Sujata will not see the park. When you cross the park, you will come to side lane. If the Sujata will take left turn, then she will be able to park. she will be able to see the park. Okay, my house is the first house in that lane. So in that lane, first house. That means Smiles made mistake here. Again, I repeat. See here, Smiles home यहाँ है और फिर स्माइल ने फोन किया सुजाता को कि सुजाता मेरे घर आओ, मैं तुम्हें इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ और मेरे घर का रूट जो है मैं बाय फोन तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, तो तुम ध्यान से सुनो। सुजाता इज टेलिंग ओके, मैं आऊंगी। तो स्माइल ने क्या बताया उसका घर, कि पहले तो तुम अपने घर से निकलो। तो सुजाता के फेस यहाँ है, ठीक है। फिर लेफ्ट टर्न लो, तो सुजाता ने लेफ्ट टर्न लिया। फ्रॉम द सेकेंड क्रॉसिंग, अब सेकेंड क्रॉसिंग पे यहाँ पहुंची, एक क्रॉस छोड़ा, सेकेंड क्रॉसिंग पे श्रीजाता यहाँ पहुंची और फिर वो बोल रहा है कि जब तुम यहाँ पहुंच जाओ तो राइट टर्न लेना। तो सुजाता का फेस अब इस साइड है, तो वो राइट टर्न यहाँ लेगी। फिर उन्होंने कहा, स्माइल ने कहा कि तुम जब ब्रिज पे पहुंच जाओ, तो ब्रिज पे पहुंचने के बाद सुजाता का फेस इस साइड होगा। तो अब वो कह रहा है कि तुम जब पहुंच जाओ और ब्रिज को क्रॉस कर लो, तो तुम कौन सा टर्न लेना, गो स्ट्रेट एंड देन टेक द फर्स्ट राइट टर्न। अब जो भी टर्न आए वो राइट टर्न लेना, तो यहां पहुंच जाएगी सुजाता, तो है ना। अगर लेफ्ट टर्न लेगी तो एक पार्क दिखेगा 100 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे और फिर फर्स्ट लेन में ही उसका फर्स्ट हाउस हो जाएगा, कि उसी गली में मेरा फर्स्ट हाउस। तो स्माइल ने यहां तो मिस्टेक कर दी, है ना। अब आप ध्यान से इसको खुद भी पढ़ना और इसको क्लियर करना कि कहाँ से निकल के ऐसी खड़ी रहेगी, फिर ऐसे, क्योंकि हम कहीं पे भी निकलते तो ऐसे खड़े रहेंगे ना, पहले ऐसे, फिर यहाँ पे सामने जाएंगे, फिर देखेंगे कि यहाँ मुड़ना है, फिर उसने गलत कह दिया तो यहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे, है ना। उसके बाद क्या हुआ, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड। डिड स्माइल गो रॉन्ग समवेयर, कैन यू करेक्ट हिम, हमने पहले ही बता दिया है। यस, स्माइल वेंट रॉन्ग वेयर, when he was telling, I will send you answer, don't worry, but at present understand beta. So Smile made mistake here. He is telling take which turn, first right turn instead of left turn. Okay, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, show where Srijata will reach if she takes the route the told her. Now Smile is telling take this turn, so opposite of, वो तो उसके अपोजिट पहुंच जाएगी ना, उसके घर से और दूर पहुंच जाएगी, है ना। Write the directions from going, write the directions for going from Smile's house to Srijata's house. अब देखिए, स्माइल्स हाउस से श्रीजाता के घर पर पहुंचना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, देखिए यहाँ पर सबसे पहले ओके, ठीक है, ट्राई कीजिए। यहाँ पर वो चला, घर से बाहर निकला, ठीक है, ये पार्क है, तो कौन सा टर्न लेगा वो, सोचिए। यहाँ पर स्टैंडिंग है, इस तरह से स्टैंडिंग है स्माइल, है ना, तो वो कौन सा टर्न लेगा, राइट टर्न। ब्रिज को क्रॉस करेगा, अगेन ही इज स्टैंडिंग हियर, सो कौन सा टर्न लेगा वो यहाँ पर पहुंचने के बाद। Suppose that Smile is standing here. Okay. So which turn he will take? फर्स्ट लेफ्ट टर्न। यहाँ पर देखिए, फिर यहाँ पर स्माइल निकला, फर्स्ट स्माइल यहाँ से निकल रहा है घर से। ओके, और कौन सा टर्न लेगा वो अपने? फर्स्ट हियर, राइट टर्न। ओके, गो स्ट्रेट, देट द फर्स्ट लेफ्ट टर्न। यहां से निकलने के बाद वो यहां स्टैंडिंग हो रहा है, तो वो कौन सा टर्न लेगा? लेफ्ट टर्न, गो ओवर द ब्रिज, और फिर सेकेंड राइट टर्न। ओके, सेकेंड राइट टर्न, मिल्क बूथ पे पहुंचेगा। He will reach at the milk booth and go straight about 100 meter. You will find red color's house of Srijata. Okay? So I will send you the answers. Don't worry. Now see on the next page, Ghibli and the big box. Okay. Do you remember Ghibli the ant in the magic math magic book 3? So course is changed, and last year to math ek we were using na, so you don't know. So let us start from the starting. Okay. One day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. Okay, it looked like this. You can see Ghibli moved across and turned left. Ghibli is here and she turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. Okay, Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on a cup and tried to see from here. So she climbed on a cup. वो टॉप पर चढ़ गई and trying to see from here there. The box looked like this. Box in this shape. Can you guess what that box like thing was? Easily. Dice. When you play Ludo, Snake and Ladder. Okay. The numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. When we add opposite of this number, the sum of this 2-digit number is 7. Okay. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Okay, opposite side of 5. So 5 is already here, and in the question it's given the sum is 7. So next opposite of 5 number will be 2, because 6 and 7. Okay. Now next question, in the picture which number will be at the bottom? Top is 1, so bottom will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 6, because sum should be 7. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So opposite of bottom number will be 6. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? Ghibli is here. If she will take the left turn, then 1. Number 1 she will see. What will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct pictures. Picture A is correct, because 5, 6, 11, opposite number 6 to 8, and here is 5 to 7. Okay, but 3 and 6, 9, and here you can see 5 to 7, 3, 4, 7, 1, 6, 7. So picture A is correct. So don't worry, answer I will send you, then you will copy. Okay. Now see, 4th standard students, try it out. Draw a shape like this on a thick paper. Any shape. cut it out and color the different phases in different colors. So you will 6 phases you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So and each phase you will color different. Okay, different color you will choose for each and every phase. Can you use this box to play game? Now then change this phases into a box form and then tell me you can play. So this activity you will do, you will send on my personal number.